Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows with jelly powder. First, gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, light corn syrup, and your favorite jelly powder. Next, prepare a 9 by 13-inch baking pan by lightly spraying it with non-stick spray. Then, dust the pan generously with a mixture of 1/2 cup powdered sugar and 1/2 cup cornstarch. This prevents sticking. Now, let's prepare the syrup. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, without stirring, until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit. While the syrup heats, bloom 3 packets of unflavored gelatin and 1 3-ounce packet of jelly powder in 1/2 cup of cold water in the bowl of your stand mixer. Once your syrup reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully and slowly pour the hot syrup into the gelatin mixture in your stand mixer, with the mixer running on low speed. Gradually increase the speed to high. Whip the mixture continuously for about 12 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it transforms into a thick, glossy, white, and incredibly fluffy marshmallow cream. It should hold stiff peaks. Immediately pour the whipped marshmallow mixture into your prepared 9 by 13-inch pan. Use an offset spatula lightly coated with non-stick spray to spread it evenly. Allow the marshmallows to set at room temperature for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Once firm, invert onto a cutting board, cut into 1-inch squares, and dust with the remaining cornstarch and powdered sugar mixture. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.